Hey there, pilots enthusiasts and fitness fanatics. Welcome back to our channel where we explore exciting ways to strengthen both body and mind. Today, we have something truly extraordinary lined up for you. Get ready to dive into the world of wall pilates. Wall pilates, a groundbreaking twist on traditional pilates, is taking the fitness world by storm. In this video, we'll uncover the top 10 reasons why you should give wall pilates a try. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this incredible fitness experience. Are you ready to elevate your pilates practice to new heights? Literally? Let's jump right in and discover why wall pilates deserves a special place in your fitness routine. Wall pilates is a revolutionary variation of traditional pilates that utilizes the support and resistance of a wall to enhance your workout experience. In this video, we'll delve into the top 10 reasons why you should give wall pilates a try. So let's jump right in. Number 1. Enhanced stability. One of the key benefits of wall pilates is the enhanced stability it provides. The wall acts as a solid foundation, allowing you to engage your core and improve your balance like never before. By using the wall as a reference point, you can focus on proper alignment and form, leading to improved stability and a reduced risk of injury. The added support of the wall allows you to explore more challenging movements while feeling secure and in control. Number 2. Increased flexibility. Wall pilates takes your flexibility to impressive new levels. The wall serves as a support system that enables you to go deeper into your stretches, helping you to increase your range of motion. As you perform various exercises against the wall, you'll find that it challenges your muscles to stretch and lengthen, promoting increased flexibility over time. The resistance provided by the wall also allows you to work on releasing tension and tightness in your muscles, helping you achieve a greater level of suppleness and mobility. Number 3. Full body workout. Wall pilates is not just about targeting specific muscle groups, it's a full body workout. By incorporating the wall into your pilates routine, you engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. From your core and glutes to your arms and legs, each movement requires coordination and integration of various muscle groups, resulting in a comprehensive workout that maximizes your time spent exercising. The wall adds an element of resistance and challenge, ensuring that no muscle is left untouched. Number 4. Posture perfection. Wall pilates is a fantastic tool for improving your posture. In our modern sedentary lifestyles, it's easy to develop poor posture habits. The wall acts as a guide, encouraging you to align your spine and engage your postural muscles. Regular practice of wall pilates can help you combat the effects of sitting for extended periods, promoting a strong, confident stance and alleviating common postural issues, such as rounded shoulders and forward head posture. The wall serves as a reminder to lengthen and lift, resulting in improved alignment and a more balanced posture. Number 5. Joint-friendly. If you're looking for a low-impact workout that reduces stress on your joints, wall pilates is an excellent option. The wall provides support and stability, allowing you to perform exercises with controlled movements and without excessive strain on your joints. This makes it especially beneficial for individuals with joint issues or those recovering from injuries. By working with the wall, you can strengthen your muscles without placing undue stress on your joints, leading to improved joint health and reduced risk of discomfort or injury. Number 6. Deep core activation. Wall pilates takes core strengthening to the next level. The wall acts as a constant source of resistance, requiring you to engage your deep abdominal muscles throughout each exercise. As you push against the wall or use it for support, your core muscles are activated, leading to a sculpted, toned midsection and improved functional strength. The wall serves as a feedback mechanism, allowing you to feel the activation of your core muscles and develop a stronger mind-body connection in the process. Number 7. Rehab and injury prevention. Another compelling reason to try wall pilates is its potential for rehabilitation and injury prevention. The controlled and supported movements against the wall can aid in the recovery process from various injuries. Whether you're rehabilitating a specific muscle group or working on overall body strength, wall pilates offers a safe and effective way to rebuild strength and mobility. Number 8. Mind-body connection. Wall pilates is not just a physical workout, It's a mindful practice that fosters a stronger mind-body connection. As you perform each exercise, you must concentrate on your movements, body alignment, and breath control. The wall serves as a constant reminder to stay present and focused, allowing you to immerse yourself fully in the practice and experience a deeper connection between your mind and body. This heightened awareness not only enhances the effectiveness of your Pilates practice, but also carries over into your daily life, helping you cultivate mindfulness and body awareness in all your activities. Number 9. Scalable for all fitness levels. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, wall pilates can be adapted to suit your fitness level and goals. The wall provides support and assistance, making exercises more accessible for beginners who may need extra stability. At the same time, advanced practitioners can challenge themselves by increasing the intensity and complexity of movements against the wall. With wall pilates, you have the flexibility to progress at your own pace and continually push your boundaries. Certified instructors can provide modifications and variations to cater to different fitness levels, ensuring that everyone can benefit from this versatile form of exercise. Number 10. Fun and innovative. Last but certainly not least, wall pilates is an incredibly fun and innovative way to spice up your pilates routine. The wall adds a new dimension and challenge to your exercises, keeping you engaged and motivated. The feeling of using the wall as a prop and experiencing the unique resistance it offers brings a refreshing twist to traditional pilates movements. You'll find yourself looking forward to each wall pilates session and enjoying the benefits it brings to your body and mind. The element of novelty and excitement that wall pilates brings can reignite your passion for pilates and inject new energy into your fitness journey. So there you have it, the top 10 reasons to try wall pilates. With enhanced stability, increased flexibility, a full body workout, improved posture, joint-friendly movements, deep core activation, rehabilitation and injury prevention, a stronger mind-body connection, scalability for all fitness levels, and an element of fun and innovation, wall pilates offers a truly transformative fitness experience. Now that you're aware of the incredible benefits of wall pilates, why not give it a try? Grab a mat, find a wall, and embark on this exciting journey of strengthening your body and mind. Get ready to experience the amazing results that wall pilates can bring to your fitness routine. Remember, always consult with a certified instructor before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have any pre-existing medical conditions. Enjoy your wall pilates journey and have a great workout. Thank you for joining us as we explored the top 10 reasons to try wall pilates. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring to incorporate wall pilates into your fitness routine. Before we wrap up, we have a few important requests for you. If you enjoyed this video and found value in the information we shared, we would greatly appreciate your support. Please take a moment to hit the like button below. Your likes help us know that we're creating content that resonates with you. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos on fitness tips, workout routines, and more. Don't miss out on the valuable content we have in store for you. If you know someone who could benefit from learning about wall pilates, please consider sharing this video with them. Sharing is caring, and you can help us spread the word about the incredible benefits of wall pilates. We would love to hear from you. If you have any questions, comments, or personal experiences with wall pilates, please share them in the comments section below. We're here to engage with you and provide any further information you may need. Remember, your feedback and interaction are invaluable to us, and we truly appreciate your support. Together, we can build a strong and supportive community dedicated to health and fitness. Once again, thank you for watching, liking, subscribing, sharing, and engaging with us. We'll see you in the next video with more exciting content. Stay motivated, keep moving, and enjoy your wall pilates journey.